Day 147. Today in the morning I was at the gym and I wanted to use our app, but there was some kind of a bug, thanks to which I was unable to write a set or second set in overhead press, so I had to write all my today's workout into simple notes. I have to look at it as soon as possible. Then, while I was traveling back to Czech Republic, I finished audiobook Scientific Advertising from Claude C. Hopkins, and I also started a new one called The Intelligent Investor from Ben Graham. This book is quite old and I think it's worth reading because also Warren Buffett was recommending it. So we'll see how it will be. And I'm finishing up my new PC assembly. This is the current state. And there are, I think, two last parts missing. I have to connect the GPU to the power source and to put there also Thunderbolt card, this one with USB-C slots, so I can connect it with my dock I use for my notebook right now. And fingers crossed, hopefully it will go well.